Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a lot of things and it's a different kind of vlog because I'm celebrating my birthday in the Rosewood Hotel. As you can see, this is the hotel right now. I've done some photo shoots which I'm going to show you some clips and photos, and then I'm also going to show you like a room tour and what else? Some makeup tutorial if you're interested. And yeah, and also I want to show you my bathroom here right behind me. I just had a bath with my Lush bath bomb and my aromatherapy oil, and this actually is the walk-in bathroom. So as you can see, oh my god, you have like shower gels here, you exit over there and you're back here, and this is the bathroom, and then this is the view of the living room. It's very messy over here. But as you can see over there, you can see the best view ever. And then I also want to show you from the bathroom here. Wow. Hi. And then you can go over here. This is the toilet, which has, and actually, I don't know if you can want to see the toilet. It's just an, wow, automatic toilet. And over here is the walk-in closet. And you know what is in here? Ta-da! It's actually the entrance. And then we're back here in the space. At first I didn't know. I was like, maybe, just maybe it's another place. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to achieve this makeup look. Today I'm going to show you my makeup routine. I'm not a makeup expert and I'm just showing you the way how to do it. My hair, I just wash it so it's really wet and flat. I hope you don't mind. Okay, so first, today I'm going to, let me see, get my foundation. I'm going to be using this is called Chanel White Lumiere Aqua. I actually have been using this for a few years and this is my favorite. And it's like very sheer and beautiful. And then I'm trying to get my beauty blender right here. It's a small one. I just love the color of it. I should have a bigger one for that. Okay, so the first thing, I need to shake it. And I'm just gonna put it right here, and usually I love to use my finger, but today I'm using my beauty blender to blend it like that. So you can either use your finger or the beauty blender, doesn't really matter, but like the finger, let it melt into the skin more, while the beauty blender can blend it evenly. So I usually use a finger and then blend it, because if you just do it like this, it would take a lot of product, but it's actually better. So yeah, it's very sheer and light, but you can see the difference now. Yeah, okay. So after foundation, I like to use concealer. For concealer, I love everything Chanel for the base because it has one of the best products. So usually I just, you know, put this concealer. I think they're all in number 10 for me. I like to be a little bit brighter, so just adopting it and using beauty blender to melt it like this. Beautiful. Yay! A color can erase my freckles and dark circles like that. Alright, okay, next I'm going to apply my Hoola bronzer and I'm going to use my broken brush. I don't care, just, you know, put it, oh my god, so dark. Put it right here. What is it called? I don't know. So this acts as the contour, and I will just put some here. Okay, that's done. Yep. I also have this one. This is called Charlotte Tilbury Film Star bronzer. It's actually a lighter version of the Hoola one, but if I want like a stronger contrast, I would use this one. If I want a light look, I would use this one. It's pretty nice, from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, what's next? After that, we need some color. So for coloring, yeah, makeup's like painting to me. This is from Charlotte Tilbury and Pillow Talk. They have amazing color. So I actually use their Ecstasy, and I think I'm buying First Love. This is Pillow Talk, but they have different colors. This is quite dark, so you can just add a little bit light. This is just a Zoeva brush I have for years. Okay, then for highlights, I either use the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer one or this Hourglass one. Actually, Hourglass one is my favorite. It has 3 shades, and usually I would just take the middle one right here and just put it on the bridge of my nose like that. I know a lot of you hate my hair now, but I like to keep it down when I do my makeup. So you can just brush it to like here. What is this called? Like your orbital bone. And you know, here around here, your brow. Ta-da! Alright, so the face is done. Let's move on to the eye. Usually I sometimes use the eye primer. This is some Too Faced Insurance, but I don't want to use it now because I'm not going for a long day. Like if I want the color to pop out or I have a long day coming up, I will use this, but not today. So usually what I do is to get my Kat Von D tattoo liner to get a draft eyeliner. So I like to do like a cat eye. So I do it like gently. So you can mess up here, doesn't matter because you're going to use the eyeshadow to cover it up. So this is just like a draft line. Okay. After you have the draft line, what I usually do is to get my eyeshadow. Today, what eyeshadow do I have here? Oh, that's my eyeshadow. Oh, these are my 2 favorites, also from Charlotte Tilbury. This is called Exaggerize, and this is called Pillow Talk. I'll show you the difference. This one is more like a pinky tone, and the other one is more like a golden brown tone. So it depends on okay, great. So it depends on what mood you're going for. I think today I want to go for a mix. So usually I use my finger just to put it on. First I use this one. So for Charlotte Tilbury palettes, they actually have all the stuff you need. So you start from here and then you go here. This is the contour, and you have sparkles if you want. So I just line it up here. This is like making your eyes bigger by highlighting them. You just do this. Yeah. Then today I kind of want for a pink look, so I'm using this one. And then I use my fingers to give a little bit more color. What do you think? Easy. Alright. Okay. Now I will get this one for contouring my eye. I usually put it like at the end of my eye and then like around here, the bone area. Now it definitely looks better and prettier, right? Okay, so not lastly, I still have to draw my eyeliner because that was a draft and it blurred out, so I just have to follow the draft line I got here and make it more prominent. Great, right? And then mascara. Oh, sometimes I use this one, but should I use it? No. Usually I didn't bother, but it will make your eye pop today. This mascara is from Too Faced and it's called Damn Girl. Damn Girl. And usually I just do this. Does it make a difference? A little bit. So there you go. All right. Okay. Lastly, I'm going to do, not lastly, it's different things. Lastly, where is my, brow gel from Benefits. I think they have amazing brow products. Oh, not this one. This is like a more complicated one. Let me see. Okay, so I want to be easy and fast, so I'm using the other one. This is Guinea Brow. So this is an eye gel. The other one you have to draw it by yourself. This one you can just gel it like this. It's super fast, but it gives your brow a little bit volume and color. That looks pretty cool, right? I hope I'm doing this right. My mirror is kind of far away from me. Okay, what do you think? I think it's pretty cool. Alright, lastly, we'll do a lip. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Beth. Oh, I need to talk. This is Charlotte Tilbury Best Actress. It's a matte lipstick. Sometimes if I want some bling bling gloss, they have amazing gloss as well. This is called Champagne Diamonds. You can just dip it on to make it pretty. And voila, this is my look of the day. Usually I can finish it with a powder, usually Laura Mercier, or this one is called Nude by Nature. It's actually an Australian brand. It's actually very nice. I actually prefer Laura Mercier and this one. It's cool. And sometimes I'm just lazy. I use this NYX setting spray to set my makeup. And my Victoria's Secret Wildflower perfume. And this is my Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream for the hair. This is really nice. So you can just put it on your hair after you wash it. Just wash it actually. So it looks great. Woo. And that's my makeup look. So that is my finished makeup look of the day. I'm gonna accessorize myself with my rose quartz ring. This is Adina's Jewel. And what else do I have? This is a moonstone. No, this is from Moon Magic. Aquamarine. Beautiful. And yeah, what do you think? And then just like a normal slip dress. Yeah. now I look more awake, and let me know what you think. I also want to finish my look with this Oscar de Rent earring, and I think it looks gorgeous. Let me see. Okay, got it. The other one. Perfect. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks great. This is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's something different, and yeah, let me know what you think of my makeup routine, and let me know if you like this kind of video, because I love making them. So yeah, see you in the next video.